Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Have a blessed day everyone. Meron na naman po tayong panibagong upload. Lahat naman ng lineup natin magaganda at quality units. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Alright, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. First unit natin, check this out. Meron tayo yung arrival na 2023 Hyundai Creta 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 19,000 km, price 970,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Good as new condition na Hyundai Creta, first owned, naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, mayroon na tong voice command, may drive assist at may traction control system, naka-wireless charging na to at naka-electronic na po ang handbrake, all power and all panel gauge properly working, elegant interior design neto, naka-two-tone premium leather seats, 5-seater ang capacity at naka-deep dish matting na to. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 1.5 liter IVT gasoline engine that produces 113 horsepower at 144 Newton meter of torque. May CASA markings pa yan with CASA booklet and records, no issue. Outside appearance, ang classy tingnan nitong Hyundai Creta, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent, very presentable. Mga gulong neto nasa 95% trade life, nothing to fix, just gas and go. Next, we have 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 3,000 km, price 528,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Eto, quality na Mirage, mga bossing, 3,000 km lang ang tinakbo. Good as brand new condition. Dare to compare, mas mababa na po ang price neto sa 2024 model. Best buy unit to sa naghahanap ng pang personal use. Pwede ring ipasok nyo ito sa Grab para naman magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Lahat po ng unit natin, no issue. At lahat ng papel, kompleto. Kung mayroon mang problem sa papel, 100% money back guarantee. Under the hood, 100% guaranteed no engine issue. May CASA markings pa yan with booklets and records. Exterior appearance ito, flawless. Wala ring gas-gas, walang dent. Malinis ang mugs neto, walang gutter marks. At ang mga gulong neto, nasa 95% trade life pa. At ang maganda pa dito, registered to hanggang 2027. Next, 2023 MG ZS 1.5 Alpha with sunroof, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 17,000 km, price 620,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Smooth and shiny paint, ang ganda ng pagka-black neto. Good as new condition, top of the line series to. Push start button, may cruise control, may traction control, naka-Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensors, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control. Check nyo po actual mileage nitong unit, not tampered. Ang isa pang maganda dito sa unit na to, may sunroof, moonroof na to. Naka-premium two-toned leather seats, pati sidings. Under the hood, superb quality engine. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 112 horsepower at 150 Newton meter of torque. Nothing to fix din tong unit, ready for long drive. 48 liters po ang gas tank capacity neto. Mga gulong neto, makakapal pa po. Nasa 90% trade life. Ready to use na to. Next, 2017 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 50,000 km, price 380,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Meron din tayong Ford EcoSport na 2017 model na below 400K ang budget. Check nyo to mga idol at bossing ko. Multi-info display, may voice command, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Well-maintained tong unit kahit 2017 model. Naka-seat cover lang yan pero kahit alisin yan, 100% maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan neto. Under the hood, wala itong oil leakage. Naka 1.5 liter TI VCT gasoline engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Newton meter of torque. May daytime running lights na rin tong EcoSport. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-check ng actual and you can bring your trusted mechanic para ma-scan at ma-test drive po natin. Next, mayroon tayong 2019 Honda Brio 1.2 RS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 30,000 km, price 540,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Ang ganda rin itong Honda Brio RS. Baka may kusunada nito sa inyo. Used but not abused. 30,000 km lang ang tinakbo. Goods na goods pa to. Perfect din tong unit pang everyday use. Fuel efficient at madaling i-parking to. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng first car nila, best buy unit to. Malinis ang engine bay nito, wala pong tagas ng langis. Naka 1.2 liter single overhead cam iVTEC gasoline engine that produces 89 horsepower at 110 Nm of torque. Pwede nyo rin pong ipasok to ng financing. Ayan po yung commutation, pa-check, nasa screen. Naka all-in low down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung may mga inquiry naman kayo regarding sa financing requirements, you can comment down below sa video at i-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2020 Honda BR-V 1.5V automatic transmission gas engine odometer, 30,000 km, price 730,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa gustong mag-upgrade ng 7-seater ang capacity, etong Honda BR-V, another reliable brand din ito. Push start button na to, mated with CVT transmission, may eco mode and sports mode. Naka deep dish matting na rin to at maayos ang kondisyon ng pagka-leather ng mga upuan nito. Wala ring crack, walang punit, walang damage, at maayos ang pang-ilalim nito, walang kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Excellent engine condition. Naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing. Paki-check na lang po ulit ng computation, nasa screen. Sa mga cash buyer natin, negotiable naman po ito upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung may mga inquiry pa po kayo at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko. Next, 2018 Nissan Juke 1.6 CVT and Sport automatic transmission gas engine odometer, 40,000 km, price 540,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang gwapo ng forma nitong Nissan Juke, pride ang coding, makinis ang unit na to at will maintain to ng owner kahit 2018 model. Push start button na to. This Nissan Juke mated with ang Xtronic CVT transmission. Maayos at malinis ang interior at labas nitong unit. 5-seater ang capacity at naka-leather na po ang upuan nito. Smooth ang suspension at 100% not flooded unit to at 100% no accident history. Good running condition ng engine nito, naka-Amaron battery, no talsek, no usok, no blow-by. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Paki-check na lang po ulit ng computation, nasa screen. Pili na lang kayo sa mga ina-upload ko, mga bossing. Kung mayroon kayong kursunada at kailangan nyo po ng iba pang impormasyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or mayroon na po akong ginawang messenger, Deus Jade Mark Delator, PM lang po kayo. Next, 2017 acquired Honda HR-V 1.8E automatic transmission gas engine odometer, 50,000 km, price 590,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong quality na Honda HR-V, pwede sa masela na buyer to. Malinis din ang pagkaputi, 2016 model to pero 2017 acquired. Push start button na rin to. May eco mode and sports mode. May anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng crossover dyan na 5-seater ang capacity, pwede nyo mag-consider to. Check nyo engine bay nito under the hood. Smooth and powerful engine. Naka 1.8 liter gas engine that produces 140 horsepower at 172 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Paki-check na lang po ng computation, andyan sa screen. Sipatin nyo pong mabuti ang unit na to. Goods na goods po ito. At marami pa pong iba. Kaya panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Next, we have 2014 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLX 4x2 manual transmission diesel engine odometer, 70,000 km, price 550,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong SUV dito, 7 to 8 seater ang capacity na manual ang transmission tapos diesel yung engine. Baka ito na idol ang hinahanap mo, malinis ang loob neto at maayos. Pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po. Ang maganda lang dito sa Montero, maluwag ang second row at third row nitong unit. Maluwag ang cargo bay nito at foldable pang mga upuan. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina. Naka 2.5 liter inline 4 DOHC 16 valve turbocharged and intercooled direct injection diesel engine that produces 135 horsepower at 314 Nm of torque. Nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, we have 2018 Mazda BT50 3.2L 4x4 automatic transmission diesel engine odometer, 50,000 km, price 720,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong quality na pickup dito na 4x4. Baka may kursunada nito sa inyo. All stock, all original to. Smooth and responsive, 6-speed automatic transmission. Malakas sumatak to, walang delay sa shifting. Naka all leather ang mga upuan nito. Smooth ang suspension, masarap gamitin. Hindi matagtag. Under the hood, powerful engine. Naka 3.2 liter 5-cylinder 20 valve diesel engine that produces 200 horsepower at 470 Nm of torque. Available din itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation, nasa screen. Malinis ang bidliner matting, di masyadong nakakargahan to. Formado na to, kulang na lang dito bidliner cover. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng 4-wheel drive dyan, paunahan na lang kayo dito. Next, 2016 acquired Kia Sportage 2.0 LX. Automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 70,000 km. Price, 465,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron tayo ditong quality na Kia Sportage. 2015 model to, pero 2016 acquired. 6-speed automatic transmission. All power and all mechanism, gana lahat. All stock, all original to. Naka-fabric seats, maayos naman ang kondisyon ng loob. LTO and HPG verified. Garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina. Ready for long drive, no hidden defects. Kasama rin itong unit sa financing. Pakicheck na lang po ng computation, andyan sa screen. Sa mga interesado po sa unit natin at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2018 Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4G, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 30,000 km. Price, 990,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Gwapong-gwapo na Toyota Hilux Conquest. 2018 model to pero halos bago pa. Exterior pati interior appearance. Multi-function steering wheel, push start button na rin to. 6-speed manual transmission with eco mode on power mode. Well maintained to ng first owner. Only 30,000 km lang ang tinakbo. Superb and quality clean engine condition. Naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 147 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Condition tong engine, no hidden defects. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ulit ng computation, nasa screen. Ready for long drive itong unit at nasa 80 liters fuel tank capacity neto. Ang ganda ng mags at makakapal pang mga gulong neto. Pwede sa masiselang buyer. Next, 2015 Honda HR-V 1.8E automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 60,000 km. Price, 565,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another quality na Honda HR-V. Kahit 2015 model to, maganda pang tsura nito. Push start button na to, naka touchscreen head unit, naka leather ng mga upuan, clean and fresh intact interior, all power, windows, doors and mirrors, working po. Pwede rin nating ipasok ng financing tong unit sa mga interesado dyan. Sasakyan na lang to, nothing to fix, no engine issue, no hidden defects. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!